In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use HubSpot filters in HubSpot. The process is straightforward, so let's dive right in. First off, you'll want to head over to the HubSpot website. Open up your preferred web browser and type in the HubSpot URL. Once the page loads, look towards the upper right-hand corner of your screen where you'll find the login option. Go ahead and click on that. As you're logging in, one of the convenient options available is to sign in with Google. If you have a Google account associated with your HubSpot account, you can click on Sign in with Google. When you do this, you'll be prompted to select the Google account you want to use, ensuring that it's the account linked to HubSpot. Once successfully logged in, it's time to navigate to the CRM. The CRM is really the heart of your HubSpot experience, where you manage your customer relationships. You'll see a link or a tab labeled CRM. Just click on that to proceed. After entering the CRM section, direct your attention to the Contacts area. Contacts are where you'll most often use filters to segment and organize your data more efficiently. Click on the Contacts option, allowing us to explore what HubSpot filters have in store. With the contacts displayed, you now have the option to use advanced filters to refine your view further. Locate the option for advanced filters on your screen. This feature is particularly useful if you need to zero in on specific data points or customer attributes. Click on Advanced Filters to get started. Now that you're in the Advanced Filters section, you'll see a variety of filter options at your disposal. Here is where you choose the filter or combination of filters that best suit your needs. Depending on what you're aiming to achieve, whether that's targeting customers in a specific location, those who have reached a certain life cycle stage, or any other criteria, you can select accordingly. Once you've chosen your desired filters, the next step is to add values to them. This is where your filters become truly powerful, as you can specify exactly the data points you're interested in viewing. For example, if you selected a country filter, you could enter United States to focus solely on contacts within that region. By utilizing HubSpot's filtering system, you can transform a sea of data into a manageable and actionable view tailored to your specific requirements. Remember, the key to efficient data management lies in the effective use of these filtering options. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful in teaching you how to harness the power of HubSpot filters.